Hey guys, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to keep working on my Grom stunt bike build. I've got a 12 o'clock bar rear subcage and a pair of half rear sets from ImpakTech. So let's get to work.
On the clock, second hand, I make the whole round while you still stand. On the minute hand, push away, 'cause I feel too close, feel too close, feel too close. Used to put love on scale, hope for the other side to fail. When the night was enough to talk away the haze of the day. Another day unconditionally enter the room. Oh, your eyes. Yeah, I don't wanna be the one that you wanted. I don't wanna be the one, just the
I've got some gold anodized washers from TST. I had to drill them out a little bigger to work with this mounting hardware. I wanted to use these because I've got more gold hardware like this that I'm still going to put on the bike.
yeah, I don't wanna be the one that you wanted. I don't wanna be the one, just the one. Yeah, contact software, giving me the look. Your contact software, die just for one hug. Clock second hand, I make the whole round while you still stand. On the minute hand, I push away, 'cause we feel too close, feel too close. I'm moving to
Next up, I'm going to install these ImpakTech rear sets. I went with the half style rear set because I don't have any need for passenger pegs. So let's toss these on the bike.
on the clock second hand, I make the whole round while you still stand. On the minute hand, push away, 'cause I feel too close, feel too close, feel too close. Used to put love on scale, hope for the other side to fail. When the night was enough to talk away the haze of the day.
One more thing to make this complete. You can run the factory linkage style shifter on these rear sets, but I didn't want to do that. I got an extended shifter from MNNTHBX that I'm going to throw on. Well, after these mods, I would say it's definitely a stunt bike now. But I've still got a lot of parts that I need to put on this bike, so stay tuned for the rest of the build. If you've made it this far, I hope you'll give this video a like, maybe drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.